Good morning, afternoon, or evening, dear yogis at Yoga TX. Welcome again. My name is Echo to the beautiful Shala here in Japan. Feeling really grounded today, feeling really lighthearted, and celebrating that to really celebrate those moments where we feel light in a very existential space. It's beautiful for the implicit memory of the body, the more buried memory of the body, to just revel in the moments of sublime silence and stillness and connection to the grander perspective, the grander view. So meaning that I am bringing us into a more yin practice today. And so you will need some props. A bolster is your friend. So if you need a couch cushion, grab that. Blocks are your friends. I have 2 blocks. So you could use encyclopedias, get creative around your house. I don't think we're going to need the strap, but I have it. If you don't have a strap, you can always use a t-shirt or a towel. We'll see if it comes. But the invitation is to ground, to arrive, to allow the nervous system to, instead of being the nervous system, to become the chill system, like just chilling. So we're going to chill. So that being said, let's start very chill. We're going to take the bolster and we're going to bring it long ways to the base of the spine. And you're going to take the soles of the feet together, knees go wide, and bring the blocks underneath the knees. Bolster right to the base of the spine and lay the chest down. So I'm going to try to stay centered here. Lay the back down, arms alongside the body. For anybody where this is really intense for the knees to be open, you can straighten the legs. Today this feels supportive for me. And we let the chest open. Come into breath in and out of the nostrils. Our yin practice gives us the opportunity to really receive. We speak a lot about being presence, but we can also receive presence. So just tuning into the sounds near and far. Feel the breath moving in and out of the chest. And tune into the mind. If it's busy, can you visualize emptying it and coming deeply into the breath? And relax the heart and also allow it to open. And let the belly be free to receive lots of nourishment through big breaths into the belly, up through the diaphragm, across the chest. And very slowly use the hands. You can grab onto the sides of the mat. Push into the elbows, lift up. Find a comfortable cross-legged seat for a moment and just sit up tall. Let the spine be long. Release the props. Moments of integrative presence. Still riding the breath in and out of the nose. Observing what's arising mentally, physically, psychospiritually, whatever may be there in the field. And let's bend the knees, plant the feet, move your blocks off to the side for now. And we're going to let the knees fall to the right. Keep the feet apart though. pull the bolster into the right hip crease, and we're gonna wave the chest down. So you can take the right cheek down to the left or left cheek down to the right. You decide what feels best for you. And let the chest really dive deep into the bolster or the couch cushion or the pillow. Having a bit of a denser bolster is nice because it feels like we're hugging something with a structure. But just notice where we go when we feel into that deep silence and stillness. Let's peel the chest up. Move slowly through the center. Bend the knees, plant the feet, and bring the hands behind you. Let the chest drop back just a bit. Take a moment of reflection. Close the eyes. And let the knees drop to the left. Feet apart. Hug the bolster in. Wave the chest down. You can turn the right cheek to really twist deep, or you can take the left cheek down, whatever feels best for you. Let's peel the chest up. Come back through center. Hands behind you. Again, let the chest sink down for a moment. Close the eyes and feel. And slowly straighten the legs out. You can have the props nearby. Take a nice big inhale, lengthen through the spine. And exhale, slowly fold. Some of you might need what I call a unicorn horn, where if you can't go down too far, you use your bolster and place your forehead on top of the bolster. I'll start here. You can also bring the chest down lower and use your blocks between the calves to bring your forehead down. And for some, if you're really tight, you might need to put a block underneath the hips. Sit on that and stay upright onto the palms. We all have different levels that we could drop into, none the right way or the wrong way. Just different bodies. So soften the mind. Continue to ride the waves of breath in and out of the nostrils. Peel the chest up. Take a moment, just sit upright, close the eyes down. Relax the face, relax the muscles around the mouth and jaw. Cleansing breath if you need. Again. You are here right now in this moment, safe to feel. Let yourself go. Bring the bolster a bit forward. Cross at the ankles, come forward onto the knees, and let's find child's pose. So the knees go wide, bring the bolster between the knees, and bring either the left cheek down or the right cheek folding in. Hugging on to the bolster again, heels sitting back, or the glutes sitting back to the heels. Feeling the earth beneath you. And peel the chest up. Move the bolster forward. We're going to tuck the toes, big toes together, sit back, but we're going to bring the bolster, the couch cushion, over the back of the calves and find a seat. So toe squat, but we're making it a little bit more accessible in this yin practice. Sitting up nice and tall, hands on the thighs. And we will feel some heat pull into the ankles, across the shins. Relax the shoulders, strengthen and lengthen the spine. If ever you are in pain, you can always lean a little bit forward out of the pose. But I encourage you, if it's just discomfort, breathe through it. Equal inhalations and exhalations through the nostrils. We're building our ability and our resilience to sit with what is uncomfortable. And in a world and in a very existential human existence, it can be just quite uncomfortable to simply exist. So these practices help us to ride the roller coaster of life, to find our breath, to settle in, and to not get jolted by the wild waves. Let's come forward, bolster out of the way, pat the feet out. Beautiful. A few cat and cows. Take an inhale, belly drops, look forward. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, belly drops, look forward. And exhale, round the spine. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Let's come back to neutral. Sit back onto the heels. Sit nice and upright, nice long spine. Hands on the thighs. And you can give a little massage to the top of the thighs, a little bit of love. And giving ourselves a little comfort. Find stillness. And bring right hand towards the left shoulder, left upper arm, right hand to the right upper arm. Hug in, let the head drop in so the back of the neck grows long. And deep gratitude for your presence, for showing up today for yourself, for slowing down, for tuning in, for breathing alongside me. May we find a bit more grace on this wild ride. Hands together at the heart, bowing down towards the earth. Namaste. Deep gratitude. Dear yogis, thank you for showing up. Thank you for Yoga TX for this beautiful space to share medicine. And you can find me in all the spaces below for in-person retreats and trainings and one-on-one sessions and experiential spaces. I'm here as an ally, so every Monday or somewhere else out in the ether. Have a beautiful day.